Best Shopify apps for email marketing. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best apps that you can rely on for the email marketing campaigns that you are going to create for your Shopify product and also your Shopify store. The apps that I'm going to mention are going to be very easy to reach, and also you are going to get here the free version or free trial on them, and also you're not going to be very limited. So here we are going simply to sign in into our account for the Shopify store. We are going to visit the admin dashboard, and then we are going to see the dashboard. Now I'm going to give you three marketing solution for that, or email marketing solutions. We're going to type in or click on the search bar at the top and type in email marketing. So I'm going to let here everything. For that, I'm going to click on search email marketing in Shopify App Store. Once you have clicked on here, you're going to see the apps that we have. So basically, I'm going to get this one, which is going to be the Shopify email. We have the Klaviyo, so which is very well known. We have also Bravo, so you can go ahead and use Bravo or Push All, and we are going to add some other. So here we have three, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to add two. Here we have the Avada, and also we have the well-known MailChimp. So we are going to start by explaining all the apps that we have chosen. So basically, we have the Shopify email, which is going to be free to install, but you're going to get some charges, or maybe some charges are going to be applied whenever you are going to have a premium feature. So you can go ahead and send out newsletters, promotional emails, set up here everything. So you can go ahead and create your own code or use the normal or the, let's say, the universal editor. So you are going to have these as here. So you are going to put some pop-ups like subscribing, creating some automations or journeys, and etc. This is the most simplest one between the others. So you are going to get some simple customizations, some simple and effective, let's say here, targeting emails, and etc. Now for Klaviyo and also MailChimp, we are going basically to talk about nearly the same platform, that but here it is going to be from different providers. Klaviyo is going to be the, let's say, the traditional email marketing platform that will help your store to grow up. So we are going to get here tons and tons of email templates and automation that will help you to achieve your goals. For example, you are going to have here some email marketing about abandoned carts. So it is going to be here generalized for each one of the, as you can see, apps. And also the Klaviyo has its own touch. So it is going to be very simple, not aesthetically as good as the other ones like the Push All or Bravo or Avada for the aesthetic sides or the aesthetic, let's say, aspects for the platform, but it is going to be very effective on the results. So MailChimp is going to have here all the, let's say, features that are available for the others, but the free plan is going to be available. But on, let's say here, Klaviyo, it is going to be free for installing, but the SMS is going to be for the, let's say here, premium feature. For Klaviyo, I haven't tried their SMS marketing, but for the email marketing, it is going to be very simple, effective, straight to the goal, and also you can go ahead and have some tweakings from here and there by coding and having the option to use two editors, the traditional one and the new one. So for the push all or slash Bravo email push SMS, it is going to be here a very simple or let's say here a very easy platform to use, and it is going to be pleasing to use for the simplicity of it. So you can add here some flash sale campaigns, selling, fast notification, upselling and cross-selling, let's say email marketing or campaigns. Now for the last app, which is going to be Vada email marketing, it is going to be here pleasing to use this platform, even if it is going to be the same as using the other ones, but you are going to get tons of and tons of let's say, new and modern templates that are not going to be available on the others. So here I'm going to install one of the apps and then we are going to test it live. So I'm going to click on install for Avada. I have chosen Avada. In the meanwhile, I'm going to let you see here the, let's say, the 5 or 6 apps that we have chosen. We have the Avada, we have the Push All / Bravo, MailChimp, Klaviyo, and Shopify email. So you can go ahead and be back on the video to see the apps and also the explanation of it. So I'm going to click on install and it is going to be installed right away. Here, the MailChimp and the Klaviyo are not going to be integrated within the Shopify. So that means that they are going to guide you or redirect you to a external platform. And here we have it. So we have the installation set up for Avada. I'm going to pin it to our navigation and then we are going to quick setup. So I'm going to click on this. So let's do a quick setup. Then we are going to choose what are we going to set up or want to do. So I'm going basically here to choose email. Here we have the 3 choices: email plus SMS, SMS, or email only. So for today's video, the topic is going to be only email marketing. So I'm going to choose email. I'm going to click on setup email. Then we are going to see the details. Now, as you can see, this is a example. For the abandoned checkout email, I think here we have a welcome email and abandoned one. So we are going to see the setting for the email, like the default sender, the sender name, which is going to be the store name, the branding like the logo, the background color, and the text color, discount code if you are going to use, for example, here 5% code or 10% or up to 25%. And some store information that if you want to share, like the store name and the address. When you finish, you're going to click on finish just right there. And we have set up the email for the abandoned card. Now, aside from that, I'm going to let you see here the dashboard of it. So we have set up the first, let's say, abandoned card, which is going to be a crucial way to, let's say, be backing up the customers to our store. So they have abandoned a cart with an item on it. So we have the quick guide. So we are going to add and verify your email sender. So you are going to click on enable, and then you are going to get a email verified. So you can go ahead and set that up. So aside from that, I'm going to head over the campaigns, click on new campaign, select email, and we are going to see all the templates. From the beginning, it will not give you the templates, but it is going to create on the demonstration for you for the abandoned cart. Now we are going to see all the template or themed template. As you can see here, we have so many of them that are well organized, well designed, and also very appealing as these. Also, you can filter them like that. So you can go ahead and select the drag and drop, the rich text editor, or the HTML code. And each one of these templates are going to be customizable, of course. So for example, let's go ahead and select this. I'm going to click on select template and it will take you to the editor. So you can modify here with the drag and drop editor. So everything is going to be showing up here. The footers, social media accounts, or everything. So you can add here all the social media links, the labels. You can modify anything in here. So you can go ahead and add the products, modify them, set up a coupon, drag and drop a video, put a divider, for example, in here, and then you can go ahead and confirm everything. For here, setting up or adding the product, you can see here the product as, let's say, a list or a grid or type of layouts changing. So you can go ahead and add some dynamic, as you can see here, let's say offers for that. And this is why I like Avada email marketing. So app, I mean. So you can go ahead and have every type of block that will help you to get back your customers to your shop. Then you can go ahead and click on next. After that, after you have set up the email or the template and the theme, you can go ahead and set up the recipients, add some segments, create that specific campaign on it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.